Hello, friends. Welcome to Speak Well Institute. Here, you will improve your English listening and speaking skills every single day. So, stay with us till the end, and let's begin today's topic. Hello, everyone. Today, I am going to share my daily routine with you. A daily routine means the regular pattern of life. It is the schedule that we follow every day from morning till night. A good routine helps us to stay disciplined, healthy, and productive. Let me tell you how I usually spend my day. I wake up very early in the morning, around 6 o'clock. Waking up early is a very good habit because it makes me feel fresh and energetic. After getting up, I first brush my teeth and wash my face. Cleanliness is very important to stay healthy. Then, I take a shower, which makes me feel active. After that, I offer my prayers and spend some minutes in meditation. This gives me peace of mind and helps me to stay calm throughout the day. After finishing my morning routine, I eat breakfast with my family. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day because it gives us the energy we need to start our work. I usually eat bread, eggs, fruits, or milk. Sometimes I also eat paratha or cornflakes. A healthy breakfast makes me feel strong and ready for the day ahead. At around 8 o'clock, I start preparing for my studies. On school days, I put on my uniform, pack my bag, and go to school. I always try to reach school on time because punctuality is very important. In school, I attend all the classes carefully. My teachers explain the lessons, and I try to note down the important points. During lunch break, I eat with my friends. We share food, talk, and laugh together. After lunch, we usually go to the playground and play games for a while. In the afternoon, I return home. When I reach home, I wash my hands and face and then eat lunch with my family. After lunch, I take some rest for half an hour. Rest is very important because it refreshes the body and mind. Sometimes, I also help my parents with small household work, like bringing things from the market or arranging books. In the evening, I go outside to play with my friends. My favorite game is cricket. I enjoy batting and bowling with my friends. Sometimes, we also play football or badminton. Playing outdoor games keeps us fit, makes us strong, and improves teamwork. After playing for 1 or 2 hours, I come back home. At night, I sit down to study. I revise the lessons that were taught in school and complete my homework. I always try to finish my homework on time because it helps me to understand the subject better. Apart from schoolwork, I also read storybooks and newspapers. Reading improves my knowledge, vocabulary, and thinking power. After study time, I have dinner with my family. Dinner is a time when we sit together, talk about our day, and enjoy the meal. Family time is very important because it creates love and understanding among family members. After dinner, sometimes I watch television or listen to music for relaxation. Finally, before going to bed, I read a book for a few minutes. Reading at night gives me peace and also helps me to sleep better. I usually go to bed around 10:30 or 11 p.m. Sleeping on time is also a part of a healthy routine. This is my daily routine from morning to night. Following a daily routine makes life organized and successful. It teaches us discipline, responsibility, and time management. I believe that every person should have a good daily routine to achieve their goals in life. Thank you for listening to my daily routine. Thank you for listening. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and most importantly, subscribe to Speak Well Institute for more daily English learning content. Press the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next video. Hello, friends. Welcome to Speak Well Institute.